Hi, I'm Janet.
And I'm Roger.
We're amateur beekeepers and we live in the suburb of Marrickville.
We have 2 hives. The plants in our garden and the surrounding area provide plenty of nectar and pollen for our bees.
We harvest quite a lot of honey and wax, so we thought we'd share some of our recipes and things to do with these great natural products.
Today I'm making a ricotta and honey cake that is commonly found in Greece, Italy and the islands in the Mediterranean. The key to making this a really good cake is using fresh ricotta and pure, raw, natural honey. This ricotta that I picked up from Paisonella in Marrickville yesterday was so fresh it was warm. Fresh ricotta like this often needs to drain before it is used in baking, so I left this in the fridge to drain overnight, covered with one of our wax wraps. There's another video about how to make these wraps. The honey I'm using is from one of our hives. Now if you aren't lucky enough to have your own hives, try to use natural raw honey that you can get from a grower's market or a health food shop. It's better than the bland processed stuff you find on supermarket shelves. The supermarket stuff might be a little cheaper, but this tastes a lot nicer. This is a quick cake to make, so I've already turned the oven on to 170 degrees fan assist and greased a 20 centimetre round cake tin. The description panel below contains a list of all the ingredients and directions for how to make this cake. In this bowl I have 800 grams of drained ricotta, to which I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of honey, about 230 grams, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1 or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, depending on how much you like. This then needs to be beaten together. In this bowl I have 3 eggs, which I'm going to whisk together a little bit, just to beat them up, and then put them into the honey and ricotta mixture. It's really important to get all the lumps out, so I find them whisk a little easier than a wooden spoon. Well, that should be enough. Now it's time to put it in the pan. I'm now going to stick this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until the top has gone a nice golden brown and the edges have come just away from the side of the pan. After the cake had cooled, I lightly dusted the top with some ground cinnamon.
A bit browner than the last one you made.
Yeah, maybe a minute or two too long in the oven this time. You can drizzle a little more honey on the top just before serving if you like.
Still looks nice on the inside.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Do you like a bit of honey?
Of course, honey is what it's all about.
Here we are.
Thank you. One of the other things I like about this cake is the fact that it's gluten-free.
Yeah, and it tastes pretty good too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave any comments or suggestions below. Thank you.